Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to restore purchases on Real Boxing. So let's get started. First, open the Real Boxing game on your device. Tap on the store option from the top right corner of your screen. Here, you can find the restore option on the bottom of the screen. Simply tap on it. Since I haven't purchased anything from the store yet, I can't show you the exact steps that follow. However, if you have made purchases, simply follow the on-screen instructions to restore them. And this is how you can restore purchases on Real Boxing. Thank you for watching Gaming Explained. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.